Hello friends, we have seen how to create layer in Fireworks and uses of layer in Fireworks. Now we will see the basic menus work in Fireworks. Let's open an image. Let's take jellyfish. Now we can increase or decrease the size of the particular image. For that, go to modify, then transform, and simply click on free transform on your window. Or you can also directly use the particular tool by pressing Ctrl T on your keyboard. You can see the dots around your images. For decrease the size of the image, just simply click on the particular dot and drag it inside of the window. You can see the size decreases. Now you can see the image is converted into reverse. Second time, if we rotate the image in 180 angle, it will be the same as we import. You can also rotate 19 angle. You can set the alignment of the particular image. Now let's take a view of view menu. The first menu is zoom in. You can zoom the particular image, and also you can directly click control and equal to the zoom out, or control minus for zoom out, which is direct method. Then you can add ruler. You can see the ruler on your window around the image. You can set the ruler of the particular image and edit that image as you want to add. Then go to view menu, grid, and show grid. You can see the pixel is divided into number of parts or grids. We use ruler and grid menu to change the particular area of our image or edit our image perfectly by grid and ruler. After that, go to select and select all. You can see the dots around the image, which represents that your image is selected now. It is as similar as free transform as we seen earlier. We can increase and decrease the size of our image using free transform and also select. To deselect the particular area, simply go to select menu and select deselect, or, or directly press Ctrl D. You can see the dotted are gone now. You can see the points are gone now. In the next tutorial, we will learn another tools which is worked in Fireworks. Thank you.